Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to highlight in Adobe Acrobat 2024. So firstly, you have to go to Adobe Acrobat, double click on and open this, and then click on this PDF, welcome PDF. In this welcome PDF, you can see all of this text here. Now how you can highlight this one? You can see here this highlight text. Choose this one and now choose the application. Now choose the text you want to highlight. You can see the text is now highlighted. If you want to change the color, right click and go properties. Then you find here colors. Now just click on this color option and you can see there's different colors. Choose the right color and click on OK, and you can see the highlighted color has been changed. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.